Hi there and welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. I want to chat to you all about laundry, how I tackle the mountains that we seem to have as a family, and share my tips and tricks with you. So I want to talk to you about ironing, laundry and how I tackle it with a large family, and it can get really overwhelming. So I've got two laundry baskets here. This one is just for ironing and this one I just quickly tumble dry and fold. So actually we're going to focus on this basket this week as opposed to this. I've done various ironing videos for you before, but really I just want to share my tips and tricks on making life easier. So I've just put most of the content of this basket into the tumble dryer. I tend not to do it in huge quantities, just small batches really is best, otherwise they still come out creased. This basket of ironing, I'm just going to pop to one side. Socks, bane of my life. I'm pairing them up and there always seems to be odd socks. I mean obviously the coloured ones are obvious, so I should just put these together. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you'll know I'm a massive fan of school socks, and one of the reasons is because they've got their name on. So I know that that is one of Archie's, and I'm guessing that that is too. So it makes life so much easier to pair up. Now, the washing that I've put in the tumble dryer, it's obviously all clean, and I've just popped it in on a low setting. And I've got an option on my tumble dryer for low setting and low heat. I've had a few disasters with the tumble dryer, I must be honest. And so I always go for a low heat option, and I've got a less ironing function button which I have pressed, so that is really handy as well. So while that is in there, I'm just going to pair these socks up. Now I find to not let the mountain get too big, otherwise it just becomes really overwhelming. I do it here in the kitchen because actually up there we've got a TV, and that makes it, I don't know, just enjoyable. In the evenings I just stand here and off I go. I love ironing, I love doing laundry, but it is a pretty tedious job. So either listening to a great podcast or watching something good on the TV helps enormously, I find. Chatting to friends is kind of tricky. Kind of like that. I do it, but it's not ideal. So we're nearly done with these socks, and I shall go and get the laundry out of the dryer and then show you how I tackle that. So I've just got this lot out of the tumble dryer, and I really do only put it in for 5 minutes and it comes out. You also don't want to put it in a tumble dryer for 5 minutes and leave it there, or take it out and leave it in the basket and not fold it immediately, because it creases again. And then you've got to put it back in. So it's just, yeah, tumble dry and then fold immediately. I've got, I don't know if you can see, I don't think you can see her little Penny is here. It's her spot on the sofa. She likes to be beside me all the time, so it's quite sweet. She's there. These are inside out. I do try and encourage the children to turn things the right way around before they go in the washing machine, but slightly easier said than done. So it really just is quick and easy, and I put them into their individual piles. I've got my iron on because there are a couple of t-shirts of Simon's that might need a little bit more attention than just a quick whiz in a tumble dryer. So actually I'll show you those now. Pop that down there. So this is one of size sports tops, and it will need a little bit of an iron because this is this tennis one, so a little bit smarter. Now I've got a Tefal steam iron. I love it. It is brilliant, and it's how I get the B&B sheets looking immaculate and well ironed. So just give this a little whiz over. And I just find it easier as well to fold on the ironing board because it's the right height. You're not bending over, it doesn't get you in the back. Quickly whiz my iron over that. It doesn't need to be perfect, but Certainly don't want him going out looking creased. Just with that, and then I'll quickly show you how I fold it and then we're done. So I worked at Ralph Lauren many years ago and we had lessons on how to fold. So front down, one side in, and then just turn back the sleeve, and then that side in, turn back the sleeve. Depending on the size of your drawers, you can either fold in 3 or in half, and I'm going for half because ours are quite deep. So there, that is done and looking smart, and I shall just continue doing the rest of this lot. So all done, quick and easy. Whilst I love ironing, you know, I could spend hours doing this lot, and literally 5 minutes in the tumble dryer on a low heat and it's done, and nobody would know that you haven't ironed it all. I do have the iron at the ready, as you saw with size sports top. You know, there are some things that do need a bit more attention, and I've got this basket of ironing here behind me, which I will tackle in a mo. I've also got a little she's here, bless her, curled up asleep next to me whilst I'm busy doing this lot. Anyway, thank you for tuning in as ever, and I hope you have a fab weekend, and I hope that that was helpful.